Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a forward key. First, determine if your key fob is simply out of battery. Many forward key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is easy to replace. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing. Once open, carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring correct polarity. This simple fix often restores full functionality to your key fob. Sometimes, a new battery isn't enough, and your key fob might need reprogramming. This is often the case after a battery change, or if the key loses its connection to the vehicle. For many Ford models, you can perform a simple in-car programming sequence. This usually involves cycling the ignition a specific number of times and pressing a button on the fob. Make sure to have all your keys with you, as they often need to be programmed simultaneously. If your key fob isn't responding after a battery change and reprogramming, physical damage might be the culprit. Carefully inspect the key blade for bends or breaks, and check the internal circuit board for any loose solder points or corrosion. Sometimes, a drop can dislodge a component. While some minor issues can be fixed with a steady hand, more complex damage often requires a professional locksmith or dealership for repair or replacement. If you've tried all the DIY fixes and your Ford key still isn't working, it's time to call in the experts. A certified Ford dealership can provide new keys, cut them to your vehicle, and program them correctly. Alternatively, a reputable automotive locksmith can often offer similar services at a potentially lower cost. They have specialized tools for key cutting and programming. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.